parts to a snap press. Well, there's the socket piece and there's the stud piece, and I label mine. See, this says stud, this one says socket. When you do a snap, this is the stud piece, which I call the boy looking piece, and this is the socket piece. And so you just have to make sure that you have the right tool in when you're putting in whichever side you're putting in first. I just go with whatever I have in here already. So you place the spiky piece face up, and then I have the stud piece in there. So I'm going to put my stud piece up there, and it just clicks in. And sometimes to cheat, I mean, I'm supposed to mark it prior, but on this one I'm kind of cheating on this tutorial. I line it up centered, and I kind of poke that through so I'm sure that where I'm putting it is going to be correct. Lay that down, and then crank. Use your abs, use your core. Push, and it comes right off. And there's one side. So now to do the other side, I have to take out the stud piece, and I put in the socket piece. Now I'm going to load the socket piece there, and it clicks on. You can't mess that up because it either fits or it doesn't. And then lay that guy there. I've marked this so I know where I'm going. Lay it down. Press just like we did before. Ugh. Click it off, and you're done. And your snaps fit and work every time. Yay! Yay! Snaps are so easy.